Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you 3 immune booster teas that you can make at home. What are immune boosters? Immune boosters are teas that will help strengthen your immune system, especially during this period of coronavirus. You need a strong immune system. You need to help your immune system fight infections. We should not wait and rely on the drugs. We should start at home to strengthen our immune systems, especially for those going out. If you have to go out for something important, and above all, stay safe. First, we are going to start by listing what we need for these 3 different teas. We have turmeric. This is the fresh turmeric, not the powder. It has been blended. I blend it fresh, store it in the fridge, and I'm able to take that with my family for a week. I have lemon. I have mint, and for those who don't know what is turmeric, I just have a finger of turmeric here. This is a finger of turmeric. I'm going to try to zoom it in. This is a finger of turmeric. It's yellow. It's like ginger, but it's not ginger. Then I have some cloves. I have a tablespoon of cloves for the clove tea and cinnamon for the cinnamon tea. So we are going to be making cinnamon tea, clove tea, and turmeric tea. These are 3 very important teas that you need to drink. It's very good for your body. These are immune boosters. They help to fight bacteria and viral infections in the body, and they are also antioxidants and anti-inflammatory herbal medicines for the body. So I put my cloves into this. I don't know how they call this. I don't know the name, but I know I always make my tea into it, and I put it into 2 cups of water, boiling water, and I boil. I'm going to boil this for 3 minutes to extract all the good things, all the properties that make cloves healthy. That's why I boil it. There's a reason why you need to boil it. Boiling it extracts them. So I'm going to boil it for 3 minutes. After boiling, I'm going to pour in my clove tea. I have a cup of clove tea. I'll be adding lemon to it. Half a lemon to the clove tea. I'm going to put in mint. This will help with the flavor. And I can drink it like this, or I add honey. Honey is optional. You can either have your tea like this, or you add honey to it. That's as a sweetener. You can either drink it like this, or I add honey to it. Honey is very nutritive, very medicinal. It has a lot of anti-inflammatory properties, and it also helps with respiratory tract infections. It's very good for cough, lung diseases. It's very good. It helps to warm and soothe the breathing tract. It's very nutritive, very medicinal. You can also add it to it if you have a sweet tongue, or you just want your tea to be sweet. That's how you make this tea. Your clove tea is ready. If you like to have the cloves in your tea, it is fine. If I personally like it in my tea, but I know most people don't like it. When I drink my tea, some get into my mouth, I chew on it. Cloves are also good for toothache. They are very good. If you have toothache, just get 1 clove, put it on the spot where you have the ache, press it down. I bet you within an hour it's going to subside the pain, because it's an anti-inflammatory natural product. Okay, the next tea we are going to be having is the cinnamon tea. The next tea we are going to be making is our cinnamon tea. I'm going to pour in some boiled water. I need to shift the camera away from this. We'll make our camera blurry. Okay, that's a cup of boiled water. I'm going to add in our cinnamon tea. This is a tablespoon of cinnamon. Cinnamon is also very healthy, anti-inflammatory properties, a lot of health benefits, helps respiration, helps for high cholesterol, helps for diabetes, helps for people with heart problems, and above all, it helps to ease respiratory tract. It's very good. It helps also for weight loss. Now, let me add that all the teas we are making don't only have the health benefits of strengthening the immune system, they also help to lose weight. And we are going to stir that in warm water. Cinnamon just stirs perfectly. To this, I'm going to be adding some lemon, half a lemon. I'm going to be squeezing that right in. You have my lemon. Squeeze that right in. There you have it. And I'm going to be adding honey to taste. You can either have your cinnamon like this. You add your honey to it. Or you drink it like that, all left to you. Another way you can have your cinnamon is, in place of lemon in your cinnamon tea, you can add apple cider vinegar. I use Bragg's apple cider vinegar. If you're in Belgium and you don't know where to get it, you can send me a comment or a message. I'm going to tell you where you can get it. This helps to detoxify you. It helps to remove toxins from your body. It is very good. You can have this either with your lemon or apple cider. You can add honey to it if you have a sweet tooth and you want it sweet, but I will not add honey to mine because I don't really like honey in my tea. I take my tea like that. And moving over to the next tea we are going to be making. We are going to be making turmeric tea. I have my turmeric blended and I put it in this mason jar. It's always in my fridge. If you don't know where you can buy fresh turmeric, you can ask me. I'm going to tell you because we have a lot of turmeric here, but we have it mostly in the powdered form. This is fresh turmeric. It's not ginger, it is turmeric. It's like ginger, it has all this yellow flesh to it. And I blended it, and the leftover, I put it in my cup. From cleaning my blender, I put it in my cup because nothing is going to waste. This thing is very medicinal. I take it, and this thing, be very careful with turmeric. It stains a lot, as yellow as it is. That's how it's going to stain a lot of things. So be very careful when you use it. Make sure you wash everything you used. Everything that touched the turmeric, sorry, you wash it properly. To my turmeric, I'm going to be adding garlic. I have blended garlic here. I'm just going to be adding some fresh garlic to it. Those are 4 tablespoons. And I'm going to be adding ginger. I also have some blended ginger. I'll be adding my blended ginger to it. Just do this to your taste. Then I'm going to be adding boiled water to it. And above all, half lemon. I'm going to be adding half lemon to it. Then, one of the teas I drink that I cannot stand without honey is the turmeric tea. So I'm going to be adding some honey to this. I'm going to be adding honey. I don't like too much honey, just a little bit, and I am good to go. There you have it, 3 different teas during this period as you're home. Just try to boost your immune system. Try to get them, drink it, stay safe. Above all, a balanced diet is very important. Try to take a balanced diet. If you can't go to the gym, go out, take a walk, dance at home, and above all, protect yourself, and God is going to see us through. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, like my videos, leave me a comment. I love you all. Bye.